name is Heloisa Escudero. I'm the current artist at the Arlington Art Truck. My project's called Count Your Joys, and it is a project where you're focused on the positive things in life in order to go on day to day to live. So basically what we're doing today is just asking people to count any joy they have in their life. It can be like small as like a cup of coffee that you have in the morning, or it can be like as intense as like your family joys, your things that really reach your heart and you enjoy it. After you counted joys with your counter, we will direct you to the station where we actually pick the shapes which correspond to how much joys you have, and therefore you join the collage, which will be the end, will be the collage of all your joys in the Arlington Art Truck. That way it's a project about trying to stay away from negativities and move things into a positive way by initiating the positive thoughts, in which way is joys.